Hello, my name is Opeyemi Ajayi. I'm privileged to say I've written Ielts just once and I passed it at one sitting. I just want to encourage you out there who are also planning to take this exam, not to see it like an exam that is a do or die affair. It's something you can do if you really put your mind to it. It's easy to pass. There are strategies that you can put in place. There are tactics you can use in overcoming whatever challenges that might come your way. So what I'll tell you is practice, practice, practice. Practice your speaking, practice your listening, especially those writing tasks 1 and 2. There are things that can easily be done if you just have enough time and put aside enough time to practice. And I assure you that the sky is your limit. Nothing can stop you in that exam. I personally have written it once. I know who've written it twice, and I know people who have written it up to 14 times. But at the end of the day, we all had the result that we wanted, and that's what is topmost priority for you and I. So don't be discouraged, don't be moody. If you've done it before and it didn't work out as you planned, do it again. And if it's your first time putting your best, don't take it for granted. Don't say it's not English. It's English, yes, but it's English that has strategies that you can put in place to perfect your scores that you want. And in case you are looking for someone to partner with you in this regard, according to your application, I'll highly recommend Tate Agency. They are one of the best out there with particular resources that you need in writing and scaling through these exams. And also they also offer other services like visa application, passport renewals, vacation destinations and all that. So they just don't give you tourism as it is, they also give you immigration as a point of reference for you. They are one to partner with. Don't do this alone. Partner with someone. Tate Agency can do that for you.